guys, this is part 3. We have the squishies, so I'm going to be showing y'all. This is the regular strawberry squishy. Let's hear some ASMR. Shh. Now, this one is the chocolate dipped strawberry. And let's go put in the bag. I told you there's going to be 2 squishies in there. There's just short. It's just so short. Yeah, I don't like it. The worst blind bag. Okay, we need to write a letter. We need to say there it's a short one. Oh, no, we're not doing that. Now let's go tape the outside. Let's get the tape. Next time, we're going to do Inside Out 2 blind bag, and I don't know what kind of blind bag. I'm going to try my best to make Inside Out 2. But hurry up and stop moving, blind bag. I know, I'm so sorry. I'm in a bad mood right now. Such in a bad mood. There, the end. Comment, rare, epic, legendary. Bye, see you.